welcome to the channel Tech Easy. In this video we will see how you can check the number of devices connected to your Tenda Wi-Fi router and how you can block the unknown device. So first of all, we will open the official Tenda website. That the link to the website will be available to you in the description box. So first of all, in the status here you can see the number of devices connected to your Wi-Fi, the download speed and the upload speed. These three things are available on the status. So simply here you can see the number of devices connected to your Wi-Fi. If you can see which device connected to your Wi-Fi, then you have to go to the bandwidth control. This is the fourth option here, bandwidth control. Here you can see the names of devices connected to your Wi-Fi. If you see a device that is unrecognized and if someone is using your data, then how you can block it. So first of all, you can see you have to click on this button and then you have to click on OK. Now you can see the device has been blocked. In the blocked devices, you can see the device has been blocked here. And if you want to unblock the device, you have to just click on unlimit and click on OK. So if someone is using your Wi-Fi and you want to block it, so this is how you can block someone that is using your Wi-Fi without your permission in Tenda Wi-Fi. So if you like this video, press the like button, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to share the videos with other people. See you in the next video, guys.